Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Avalanche price ready to recover 36% of ground to the upside on a new window of opportunity. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends on the cryptocurrency market. Today, Avalanche, although yesterday for most cryptocurrencies was a positive day, Avalanche slipped a little bit back to the low end because it had already advanced the day before. So apparently some Avalanche investors were front-running the news already the day before it got active in the cryptocurrency space. But that's no worry, because if we look at this very solid technical play that we are seeing at the moment, where bulls are coming in here between the 200-day moving average and the monthly pivot at $82.55. Very good entry level. Enter for the bounce. You have this 200-day and this pivotal historical level at $81. So you can put your stop below here, or if you're in for the longer trade and you want to look for a longer risk reward, so you can put your risk a little bit lower. Even you can even put it below the 55 then. So you have a stop loss here, and that would project your price action further up. So a very good entry level here with 1, 2, 3 reasons to put your stop behind and sit on your hands then for the upside. To the upside, first of all, not really that much in place, with at first stage the monthly R1 here around $100, but all in all, investors will be looking further towards 110 and possibly even all the way up to that 116, 117, which is the monthly R2 resistance level. In the meantime, as we see, we were in Avalanche was in that cross with the 55 moving below the 200-day, but as we see, the 55 is moving up. So with that move, that would mean that Avalanche comes out of under those negative pressures that come along with the dead cross, and that would signal to the markets that a solid uptrend is beginning, and a lot of investors will be more than happy to take part of that. So that could even see then an even more further ending up in price action all the way up, even possibly to $135 with the monthly R3 and this green ascending trend line back from longer dated trends that we have already lined up since August last year. But that's a little bit too far off for now. That will only be possibly for April. But at the moment, it looks very sound and very useful for bulls to get in now. RSI as well, still offering a little bit of room to the upside. So 110 should be guaranteed by the end of this month. Of course, should the war rhetoric or anything else with, for example, the Fed, who signaled to the markets that they might do 50 hikes in next coming meetings, and if those 50 hikes become 50 hikes throughout the year on each meeting, that would mean that markets have underestimated the Fed and expect then stock markets to wobble, which would then on their turn spill over as headwinds to cryptocurrency markets, and then we could see a complete paring back all the way to 66 or possibly even towards $61 to the downside, in case that such a negative rhetoric would weigh on sentiment. That's it for Avalanche for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.